This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. We got Palantir earnings right after the close here. You got the SPX. If I can get my mouse over here, trading off about 0.76%. So we did crack down at the end of the day there. Okay. Composite off about 1.20, 19,391. Dow Jones Industrial off about 0.27% at 44,422. And then that Russell off about 1.19. Man, what happened? We were trading at 6,003. Definitely some sell-off right at the end of the day there. Got to take a look at that. Fletch in the Den also shared a tweet, I think, for someone, and they were talking about what's going to be in the Strategic Wealth Fund, the Sovereign Wealth Fund. Man, yeah, wow, what a little collapse there at the end. And moving lower as well. Man, I hope my Palantir leverage long doesn't get messed up on that. I think the tweet said, from Fletch, if I'm correct, is the Strategic Wealth Fund going to be stuffed with long-dated U.S. Treasuries? And then it says Strategic QE. I mean, you know, the Norwegian Sovereign Wealth Fund is totally packed with those, and that's interesting. I think what you're going to be seeing a lot of is different ways to get capital injected into the market, right? That's not going to be necessarily, the Fed borrowing and stuff like that, right? Because you're going to get that shrinking of that balance sheet. Another thing I could see as well, you can look up the balance sheet of the United States. Kind of crazy of course you could, but it's just very interesting that we have it. We have a ton of land, and I'm sure that can be deployed in some capacity, maybe for, mineral extraction or other resource extraction like natural gas or oil or something like that. Now, that has its own kind of issues with it, like we're talking about Alaska potentially being used for drilling oil. Well, it costs so much to kind of pull that oil out, and that's, probably will not happen, right? So it'll be interesting to see what happens. Additionally, you have the Treasury directing the Fed to revalue gold. I think it's at $42 right now on their balance sheet, and it's not really clear what they would value it at. I'm assuming it would be below the going price, the COMEX price, but that is designed as well to generate more capital, right? As opposed to just keeping blowing up the debt. So I don't know, interesting kind of stuff going on. A lot of interesting stuff going on, to be honest. I think I'm still kind of digesting all of it, and I'm sure everyone else is too. Good luck if you're in Palantir. We're going to make it, everyone. Folks, otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. for Tommy O'Brien in the morning market kickoff. Take care.